Okay, we're on question number 7 on the UALR Final Exam Review for College Algebra. We are looking at problem number 7 says determine the open intervals on which the function is increasing, decreasing, or constant. Enter your answers using the interval notation. If an answer does not exist, enter DNE. Okay, so remember, if we're looking at intervals where it's increasing, decreasing, and we're looking at the graph, we want a picture where we're moving from left to right. Where Fred's moving left to right. If Fred is sliding down the graph, right, then that's decreasing. So here, looks like from, not sure if it's -9 or -10. We'll say -10. Pretty close. It's going from -10 to -1. The x values are what we're concerned with when we're doing increase and decreasing intervals. So this one, from -10 to -1, it says enter your answers using interval notation. If an answer does not exist, then enter DNE. And remember, it says determine the open intervals. So open intervals mean the endpoints are not included. So we'll go from -10. Well, that's decreasing. It's increasing. Sorry. We're decreasing there. So we're decreasing from -10 to x equals -1. Increase and decrease in constant intervals are the x values only. So now, increasing, if Fred was going from left to right on the graph, and Fred was having to climb up the graph, then it's increasing. So it's increasing on here from -1 to 10. Or sorry, +1. That's where it's increasing. And if it's not increasing, it's not decreasing, it's just going straight across, makes a horizontal line, where Fred would just have to be walking across the graph. That's where it's constant. So it's constant from -1 to 1. And that's how we do increase and decrease intervals when we're looking at a graph. Always, 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 increasing and decreasing intervals are always x values only.